Today we're going to be shooting with an entry-level camera and an affordable lens. It's always our goal to encourage you to shoot with the gear that's available to you, so hopefully this motivates you to get out there and shoot. We'll be using a Canon Rebel T3i, and we have a 24mm f2.8 pancake lens and a 50mm f1.8 lens. Let's get right into it.
My name's Rachel and I'm years old. I like extreme sports and I'm looking for a guy who can build a beautiful website fast. If you don't use Squarespace, you can't be first place.
What's up? My wife is gonna kill me for being here.
Did that just say you don't use Squarespace?
What's Squarespace?
Next. I don't have time for anyone who doesn't have time for Squarespace's award-winning 24-hour customer support. Did that just say SoundCloud rapper? Next. If he doesn't use Squarespace's beautiful custom templates, then he doesn't deserve this beautiful template. And also no SoundCloud rappers. Please tell me you use Squarespace.
Use it? Girl, I married it.
Okay, that's all we've got for you today. We hope you feel motivated to shoot with whatever camera you've got. As always, like this video if you like puppies, subscribe if you like dessert before and after dinner, hit that notification bell if you know what's good for my health, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you